Hey, what's good, people? It's V Tech. Now, I know you saw that thumbnail. We have the Z Fold 7 in-house. Now, every year, I tend to pick up the Z Flip series. I've had the 3, the 4, the 5, and of course, we have the 6 right here. I was all ready to go pick up the 7, but when I was watching their little Samsung Unpacked event, I wasn't really feeling the Z Flip 7 this year, so I decided to change it up last minute and pick up the Z Fold 7. Now, this isn't my first Samsung foldable phone. I did have the Z Fold 3. I really like that phone, but the outer cover screen was just like a little bit weird. I didn't like the aspect ratio of that screen, but this year, they switched it up. The cover screen is now 6.5 inches. The main inside screen is 8 inches. So you know what? I said, let's give it a try. Now, I'm not even gonna lie. Samsung has some competition because I am a Fold user. So I am currently using the Pixel Fold 2. Got this bad boy right here, the Pixel Fold 2. And of course, we also have my favorite foldable device of all time, the OnePlus Open. Now, I am not keeping 3 foldable phones. So I am gonna give this a shot for 7 to 10 days. If I don't feel like the Fold 7 can replace either the Pixel Fold 2 or the OnePlus Open, this is getting returned. But that's enough talky talk. Let's dive in. Really can't wait going into it with an open mind. Now, you'll know if I got the tabs right on the first try on if it's a cutscene or not, because I always struggle with these. So it looks like it's coming off in one piece. That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and, you ready? Let me know if you're ready. 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, so on the inside, you got, what is this, just probably, so you got the SD card removal. You have the USB cable, type C to type C. And of course, that's it. No charger in the box. And I did pick up the jet black. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Really, I think I picked right, definitely for sure. Now, let's go ahead and get that first fold. Look, ooh. Yo, the crease isn't really there. Now, first thing I noticed, it doesn't have the matte finish like the S25 Ultra, but yo, the crease is almost gone basically. I still remember the Z Fold 3 crease. That thing was kind of deep. But this one, it's barely noticeable. Let's hit it with that first fold. Boom, open it back up. Yeah, that's nice. You're not even gonna be able to notice that once the screen is turned on. But the second thing I noticed, they were not lying when they said this is our slimmest foldable yet. They were not kidding. Let's hit it with a comparison. Now here's the Pixel Fold next to the Samsung, and yeah, that thing is thin, really thin. And then we have the OnePlus Open. It makes the OnePlus Open looks super thick side by side. Now, Fold 7 is taller, of course, and wider. Or wait, let me see. So they're about the same size. I know I'm committing a sin. It shouldn't be screen to screen, but yes, the Z Fold 7 is taller. The OnePlus Open is slightly shorter, but the Z Fold 7 is noticeably thinner. Let's hit it with that first turn on, where you can barely press it. Let's peel that off as we turn it on at the same time. Yeah, that was smooth. We're not even gonna act like I messed up at the beginning. The power button and fingerprint reader is really, is anything gonna happen? Is it gonna turn on? Okay, that took forever. But yo, that is really thin. I really like how that, let me see something real quick. So here's the cable that comes in the box. I just want to see like how, so closed, this is like So that's what it looks like when the device is closed. When you open it, there is barely enough space. Like the charging cable head is basically, no, the charging cable head is thicker than the phone. That is crazy. There's like fingernail room at both the bottom and top. So if you want to know how thin it is, when this phone is open, the charging head is bigger than the phone itself. Let me just do it one more time to verify. Cause yeah, you can see the hangover. So you can put a fingernail right here and a fingernail on the back. This thing is so thin. Let's do a size comparison next to the Z Flip 6. So the Z Flip 6 looks extra chunky next to the Z Fold 7. This is so thin. I will say with it being so thin, it does make the cameras stand out even more. But I think I definitely chose the right year to upgrade. Like if you look at the spine of the Z Fold 7 next to the Pixel, it is so much thinner. And then next to the OnePlus Open, that looks super thin next to the Open. Really impressed with that. I'm just going through comparing stuff now. Yo, that is crazy. This is a phone case for the S25 Ultra. And the phone, a foldable phone closed is thinner than a S25 Ultra case. Yo, that is so impressive. I guess Samsung did their thing this year. I am definitely gonna be playing with this. Can't wait to go get it set up. But like I said, I am not keeping 3 foldable phones. Either the Z Fold 7 is gonna be getting replaced, or one of these are gonna be getting sold. Now, if I'm being 1000% transparent, most likely the competition is between the Pixel Fold 2 and the Samsung Z Fold 7. I keep wanting to say the Z Fold 6 for some reason, but the Z Fold 7, because the OnePlus Open is honestly goated in my opinion. The Open probably isn't going anywhere until if or when the OnePlus Open 2 comes out. So most likely the comparison, one of these are gonna stay and what's gonna go. You got the Open here, the Pixel Fold 2 here, the Z Fold 7. Which one do you think I'm gonna end up keeping? I'll probably touch back with you guys in like 7 to 10 days. You already know the case videos are coming. I cannot wait to go get this set up. It's VDust Tech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.